Hi, my name is Daniella Gomez. I work for Scanomat. I'm part of the customer experience team. We are right now in Chaucer hosting a coffee tasting. So today we're here to taste 4 different blends. The first one we're tasting is Peru. Second one is City Roast. We also trying the Indonesian and Sombra. Once everyone has tasted all the coffees, they will just scan the QR code and vote for the favorite and let us know what they think.
Hi, Anand Sundaram. I head the software quality assurance at Chaucer. It was really good of you to organize this session because I tasted some different coffees. My favorite was, it started off with Peru, single origin Peru, because I like lighter coffees. But actually, as I moved on, I zeroed in on the Indonesian single origin. Thanks for the experience, and hopefully, we'll get some new coffee blend soon at Chaucer.
Hi there, my name is Donna Ross. I'm Head of Real Estate Operations here at Chaucer. We've had the lovely Kelly in today and she's been doing some coffee tasting for us. It's been great, she's very knowledgeable, very informative, and it's helped us make a decision on what coffee we're going to give our staff. My favourite is the City Roast, and it's very nice, very smooth, and it'll be nice to see what comes out of the survey.
It was a great experience to interact with all our clients and have the opportunity to educate them on sustainability and how we source our coffee beans and the functionality of the TopBrewer.